Hi everyone, so I am so excited about today's video. There are so many great deals at Hobby Lobby, it's crazy. I'm calling this the better than Dollar Tree prices, the buy now, think later sale, because you just have to grab it. It's such a great deal at 90% off. And I know, baskets, what do you need so many of them for? But let me tell you, you're going to need this throughout the year for all your gift giving or even to organize your craft room. And why wouldn't you buy it? Because like at 3 per pack, 90% off, 69 cents, that's like 23 cents each per basket. Better than Dollar Tree, right? Dollar Tree usually has it for one item, $1.50. And this one, I think I have a total of 24 baskets. And if I were to buy that at Dollar Tree, it would cost me $36. I saved myself $30, got 24 baskets for the low price of $5.28. Think about like spa day baskets, like back to school, peanut butter jelly, dorm days, snack packs, perfume, everything. Like there's so many little gifts that you can give with these things, and you can pair them with a gift card and put a little ribbon on it and some plastic gift wrap, and you have a gift. I don't know. I'm one of those people that's sometimes last minute, so sometimes your packaging alone can cost way more than the gift because you're putting so many different details into it, and yeah, it gets pricey. So I am so super happy. I'm super happy about this as well. This is something that I definitely would want as a crafter. This would be like my craft snacks, and I don't know if a lot of you love those chocolate macadamias, but most of the time I see these during Christmas like at Costco, but they are in stock right now. So I was so happy to find this at Costco. This one is a little bit more pricey, but it's 3 boxes and you're getting it for I think around $22 or so. So you can pick this up at Costco. Let's get back to Hobby Lobby. Really great deals. So the baskets alone, you can create things like your coffee packs. Like I'm giving you guys so many ideas because you guys are going to need to justify to yourself, why am I buying so many baskets? And this is going to be the reason why you're stocking up. They also have this plastic cup. I know a lot of you have been looking for that Barista Bear. This is his less expensive little brother who's in plastic, and it's really cute, but you can barely even see it when you're putting it into the gift basket. So I totally would recommend putting some like tissue paper in here, and then it would look really super cute. You could pair it up with some like chocolate, and then you can create like a little gift basket for coffee lovers, and very affordable once again. So that's really cute. So a bear again is $1.14. It is plastic. You get the lid and the little straw with it as well. So look, that's like 8 baskets already. So I stocked up. It comes in purple as well. If Christmas is around the corner and my theme is going to be like a pastel Christmas, this is an even better deal. But this is $2.99. 90% off makes it 29 cents, and you're getting 3 of them, so that's like 10 cents a piece. Like, I don't know, you can't find those deals. So as you can tell, I am super excited. You can even fill all this up with like candy, but I think like Christmas time cookies in a food safe plastic, and then just putting it here as a container to hold it. And these cutouts were a hot seller item. Like I remember at 40%, it was like so many of them, and at 90%, I literally just found one of each set. So this was a great deal, about 19 cents per pack. And I did buy a bunch of these like before the sale, so I feel like I can just make anything with these ones right now. So I decided to go again with the Care Bear theme. I started with 1. I'm like, this is really cute. And then I made 3, and then I was like, well, let me look at all the blue Care Bears. And then just kind of went down the list, and there's like, you can't have the Care Bears without Tenderheart, so I put that in there as well. And yeah, it's a really great deal. For these cutouts, I like to use a lot of these as gift tags, so it's really cute to kind of just have them pre-made and ready to go. You can also use them in your junk journals and of course in your scrapbooks. I really love using these in my scrapbooks as well, but I think that the Care Bear ones turned out so cute. I just kept on going until I pretty much used up half of the pack. This is also another really great set. I love all the vibrant colors on here. I probably would just put this on a scrapbook, like scatter them out through the scrapbook, kind of like polka dots. But I also made them into gift tags. I went with the SpongeBob theme because I did pick up that SpongeBob sticker book from Michaels, and I figured let me go ahead and crack into that. So this is the result, and I barely even made a dent in that sticker book. Like, I barely even used 1% of the stickers. There's so many stickers in there. So I was really happy that everything kind of like came together. It looked like it all kind of just belonged onto all those different circles. And speaking of gift tags, this also is 19 cents. You have a bunch of different sizes and shapes of like the smiley faces. And pretty much for this one, all you have to do is put a little hole punch and then put twine in there and use these as gift tags as well. So I put one on here, and then they had those like longer strips of like, what are they called? The borders. And I just basically cut that out. You can turn it into a little bow. And my plastic bag was so small for this. I kind of like just shoved the basket in there thinking that would fit. But this is kind of just an idea. You know, I know everyone can like spruce it up a lot more. Next up, we have the Spring Shop bow plates. My store actually only had 2 different colors, which was the yellow. They literally only had 2 yellow plates and then the rest green, which was actually perfect because, you know, green for Christmas and it's just around the corner. I felt like it would be really cute for my pastel type projects. You can use it as a little trinket tray. So that's what I was planning on doing. But my mom was like, you know what, that would also look really cute next to a charger plate during Christmas time, where you can put like a few candies or a dessert on there. So I split them in half. So I bought a whole bunch, and I'm going to give my mom 8 of them, and then I'm going to keep the rest for all of my projects. But a really great deal. So originally $2.99, Spring Shop, all 90% off right now. That's going to be 29 cents. I bought 15 altogether, but there was still another really huge stack that I left at the store. And then this one, I was really excited to find because I was going to pick this up at 50% off, but at 50% off, I was like, that's still kind of pricey. So originally, this is $10.99. 50% off when I wanted to buy it was $5.49, and then now it is all the way down to $1.09. So these are the larger sizes. There was 4 different, I picked up 4 different ones. So I picked up clear and the pink one. And then on the next size, which is a little bit smaller, that was normally $7.99 down to $3.99, and finally at 79 cents. So I picked this up because I thought it was really cute. You know, it kind of reminded me of like ice. So I thought it was going to be like really nice for like Christmas decor. Plus I love pink. Pink is always going to be part of my Christmas decor as well. So this is really cute for that. And also just kind of like in general, I figured, you know, this would be really cute also if you put like flowers in there, like orchids. I was thinking orchids, but I don't have any of those right now. So I was like, okay, I have paper flowers in my craft room. So to kind of give you an idea of what it would look like. And then I was like, you know what, even for like parties, you know, if you have like your cake toppers, you can decorate stuff for parties. And I'm just going to decorate my craft room with this for now. So I have it like at the entrance of my craft room, and I figured, you know, just to kind of like make this a focal point. So as you can see on the left hand side before, if it's plain, not too bad. And then on the right side, you know, I added these to kind of be like a little focal point in my craft room. And then this one I was really excited to find. So it is $1.24. This can also be used as standalone Christmas decor, or you can actually use it as little gift boxes. It does not have a twisty top, which is kind of disappointing, but you know, if you're going to give something in here, you definitely want to tape it down, because the lid is kind of one of those things that you just kind of put on top, but if you have something heavy on the bottom, it definitely wouldn't hold that. So you'd have to put like more adhesive to seal it on the sides, just to be on the safe side. You can use it to like stuff all of your like candies in. That would be really cute. I did take a transfer vinyl and I put that on there, as you can see with the penguin, and then I used my paint markers to go over the top of that and kind of like create snow. I left the bottom open because I don't know, I feel like maybe I want to write something later on down the road, maybe the word December. And a quick hack, if you don't have like really great handwriting, you know, since a lot of these things are clear, I usually just kind of like put my clear plastic item over like something like the sticker right here, and I'll just kind of like trace it and practice it a few times until I can get it right, and then I'd put it on there. I'm undecided at this point whether I want to put it on here, so I just kind of left it blank for now, but I think it turned out really cute, easy project. And speaking of paint, they had these paint brushes, $1.37, and they have a lot of really great sizes, different types of shapes. So I am going to be doing a lot of painting because I have a lot of those wood products that I picked up from all of my Michaels grab bags that I really need to start working on here soon. So it's just kind of like piling up in my craft room. So stay tuned for those videos. It's always been in the works. It's just kind of like putting everything together and just kind of like working one project at a time. And then this one is the cutouts from, I don't know what section that would be called. It's kind of like near your classroom section that isn't like seasonal. I don't know. If you guys know the section, let us know in the comments down below. I don't know how to describe it. Is it like an office section? I'm not sure. But you get these cutouts and you get 6 different ones, which is really cute. And I figure, you know what, this would look really nice with gift cards. And so I tried to kind of like slice the ends, you know, cutting out like a diagonal slice on the end. And that was just like a lot messier than I thought it would be. So yeah, I would just probably put stickers on here instead, and it works out just right. So this is what I had here as a gift card holder, and the back is clear, so you can even write a message on there if you wanted to. And then I know I did my jewelry last time, and I did find this at the jewelry, which is Bead Design Co. And it says, "With God, all things are possible." And this was only 62 cents, and I do love that theme. It's like throughout my craft room because I find a lot of it at Hobby Lobby. So I had the magnet that I picked up last time, and then this one they've had for a few years. I believe they still have this one as well. So this is one of the funner sales that I've been to in a long while because it had really affordable prices, 90% off. Like, you just really couldn't beat a lot of the deals that they had. And a lot of the other stores are like way packed. Like, I was watching a few haul videos and I'm like, wow, you guys still have so much at your store at 90% off. But my store literally just had like 2 little end caps and that was it. So I was like, nobody's picking these up. I'm gonna go ahead and buy them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you can continue on the fun with more videos like this one right here from Michaels or another Hobby Lobby shopping haul.